Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the HomePod Mini near your iPhone so the devices can detect each other quickly. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and signed into the Apple ID you want to use. This links Siri and home data. Once power shows a pulsing white light, hold the iPhone above the HomePod until the setup card appears. Tap Continue and grant requested permissions. This lets the speaker join your Wi-Fi and configure personal requests and handoff automatically. Now you fine-tune settings that determine how the HomePod Mini behaves. You assign a room so HomeKit automations target the right device and choose whether to enable personal requests so messages and reminders use your iPhone data. Make language and Siri voice choices. This affects recognition accuracy. Once done, decide on home app placement and whether to allow handoff for seamless audio. These choices shape privacy and convenience, so review them before finalizing. Finish by verifying functionality. Ask Siri for a summary, play music, and send an intercom to confirm network and account links. Make sure stereo pairing or multiple HomePods are configured if you plan that. If something goes wrong, reboot the HomePod by unplugging for 10 seconds or use the Home app to remove and re-add the device. Recheck Wi-Fi and Apple ID sign-in. If voice recognition fails, toggle Siri off and on to retrain recognition and improve reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.